Hi guys, my name is Nisar Nilambur. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I show you how to install hard disk in your DVR. First you remove 4 screw for open DVR from backside. Inside you can see the main board and backside supply, camera port, HDMI port, USB port and everything. This is power supply cable for hard disk. Due to power supply to hard disk. One side you can fix main supply board. This is SATA cable for data hard disk. This is also put one side the main supply board. Then another line you can fix hard disk. Hard disk backside 2 port, one for power supply, one for SATA cable. Power supply, first you can give SATA cable on your hard disk and then also power supply. First you check the position, SATA cable also power supply. Now fix it. This back side you can see 4 screw hole. You just put screw 4 holes, just tight, don't make more tight. Make like this, you see. Now fix the same hole. After you can tight the screw. Okay, now it's finished. Then top cover you can fix top cover. Same like before, the 4 screw you can tight the 4 screw. Thanks for watching my video. If you like my video, please subscribe my channel and press bell icon for notification.